Hey Bricksters and LEGO friends, I am here with a quick LEGO 2 movie party supply pack, party wear if you want to call it that. Just noticed this in the news. It's from Brick Fans, Fueling Your LEGO Lifestyle blog. And basically what they have, I guess it's coming out very soon at your various party retailers and Amazon. You can get balloons. They're Mylar type of balloons, I believe, that you put the helium in. And they are some pretty cool, rich-looking balloons right there. This one here of Emmett, I think, is going to be a very popular balloon. Also, you can get party plates. Now, I don't know if this is two different types or if they come as a mixed pack or what. You'll have to check that out when they become available. Still awesome, and let's build together, of course. Awesome, no matter which way you look at it. And party napkins, of course. You know, mind if I save your life? That's pretty cool. But, I really like them. Napkins are cool. Might pick some of them up just to have. Party cups. These are the plastic cups that you see all around everywhere at the party stores. Usually sell for $1 to $2 or maybe even less. They're plastic with the, I want to call them molded on picture right in, like a sticker or that. So they're pretty cool. You can put them in the wash. I don't know if you can put them in the dishwasher. I haven't put any of mine in. I'm going to probably pick a couple of these ones up though, because they are pretty cool. I have some of the Lego Movie 1 ones, so I'll get them when they come out. This is like an ice cream cup thing. I'm not sure if that's plastic or paper. I'm going to say it's paper, and some paper cups there as well. And they have party invites, a table covering, and there. So the banner is pretty cool for anybody's birthday. I might pick one of them up. Table coverings, maybe, just to cover up some of my junk down in my display area. And of course, party invitations, well, that doesn't interest me, but all the same. So, get out and check out your party supply stores, because these things should be coming out relatively soon. And they are going to be super cool for anyone who has birthdays coming up. And you can be of any age. You don't have to be young just to have these. I certainly would have them myself. So there you go. Enjoy. And I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. This has been a little LEGO news flash from Twoloosebricks. Talk to you guys again very shortly. Hey, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video.